in your honor. Unselfishly, you left your fathers and your mothers. You left behind your sisters and your brothers. Leaving your beloved children and wives, you put on hold your dreams, your lives. On foreign soil, you found yourself planted to fight for those whose freedom you granted. Without your sacrifice, their cause would be lost, but you carried onward no matter the cost. Many horrors you had endured and seen, many faces had haunted your dreams. You cheered as your enemies littered the ground. You cried as your brothers fell all around. When it was over, you all came back home. Some were left with memories to face all alone. Some found themselves in the company of friends as their crosses cast shadows across the land. Those who survived were forever scarred, emotionally, physically, permanently marred. Those who did not now sleep eternally 'neath the ground they had given their lives to keep free. With a hand upon my heart, I feel the pride and respect. My reverence is revealed in tears that now stream down my upturned face. As our flag waves above you in her glory and grace, freedom was the gift that you unselfishly gave. Pain and death was the price that you ultimately paid. Every day I give my utmost admiration to those who had fought to defend our nation. Unknown author.